serious player in the GIS industry. The ability to digitally analyze data so that though land information in itself is important, putting together other information, be it under the earth, above, or in the sea, gives a better understanding of our surroundings to enable sound decisions. Thus, a change of name from being land information to geospatial information to include these features became a reality. GIS has also contributed immensely to overcome world challenges. There are case studies that demonstrate how countries the world over use geospatial information for their development and for the effective and efficient delivery of public services. Egypt uses geospatial information to help grow its economy and increase the efficiency of its tax collection. In Brazil, geospatial information plays a vital role in the reduction of its crime rate. The Republic of Korea updates its cadastral maps to better manage land ownership issues. Geospatial information is widely used in New Zealand and already contributes over $1.2 billion a year to the economy. It also forms a part of New Zealand's knowledge infrastructure and enables innovation and better decision-making. The Australian government has launched the National Map Open Data Initiative, which allows access to Australian mapping data from one platform. Rwanda and other African countries use this technology to improve their land administration. GIS technology has become an important tool in many sectors, including utilities, disaster management, urban and regional planning, climate change, green growth, and the like. Last night, I had the enlightening experience to witness our Honorable Prime Minister launch Fiji's sugarcane GIS portal in Lautoka. The launch brought home to me the immeasurable advantages that we as a nation can realize from this tool. We may not have the vast resources which other developed nations have to create such a tool overnight, but we as one team can pull together our resources to come up with something that can be used for better management and strategic decision-making in agriculture, in disaster management, in land management, in public utility management, in town and regional planning, in tax collection, and indeed in elections. Each stakeholder represented here today is custodian of invaluable information which can be part and parcel of a national GIS grid, which may be used collectively by regulatory and managerial agencies pertaining to national development in Fiji. Government supports activities for the benefit of the nation and recognizes the capabilities of geospatial information and its technologies as a tool for better management, informed decision-making and planning to achieve socio-economic growth. We as stakeholders are all here to make a critical analysis of the industry, so a collaborative effort can be made for improvements and the long-term sustainability assurance of geospatial information. I encourage the members of this forum today to actively raise and discuss issues in the interest of this emerging and important industry and its role for developing our nation. I also encourage you to go beyond mere discussions and to take credible and solid steps towards the realization of tangible results in this area. I challenge you all to start collaborating and sharing information with the ultimate aim of contributing towards a national GIS grid. The theme of today's conference of One Fiji, One Map, and the sub-theme, Integrated Geospatial Information for Sustainable Growth, cannot be realized without us all working together as one team, sharing what information we have to create what can become the most effective socio-economic development tool this nation has ever had. We in this room today have the power to realize the national dream. With these words, I now declare the first high-level Geospatial Information Management Conference 2014 open. Thank you.